How to buy Apple gift card online. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open your preferred web browser. Here I am simply tapping on the Safari browser. And once in there, all you have to do is tap on the search address bar and type down Apple gift card and navigate to the official Apple gift card website. In order to do that, scroll down and look for the Apple website where they say Apple gift card option available. Tap on it and there you can see buy option available on your screen. Tap on the buy. Once you tap on the buy, you'll have to choose the payment information, email, and the which Apple or what kind of gift you are willing to buy, and that will be. Digital cards are instant, physical cards take a few days to arrive. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.